For 30 years, HHHunt has been the forefront of building new homes in North Carolina and Virginia. With all that experience, we've become experts on what home buyers want when purchasing a new home. Hi, I'm Taylor, and I want to share the top 5 features home buyers are looking for in 2022. Number 1, outdoor spaces. Since feeling the isolation brought on by the recent pandemic, most of us are looking for the freedom of being outdoors. We found that home buyers want to maximize their outdoor space for entertaining family and friends. Specific features they request include lighting fixtures, hardscape surfaces, ceiling fans, fire pits, and fireplaces. A lot of our new homes can be equipped with fire pits, spacious patios, and more. Number 2, outdoor amenities. So, obviously being outside is more important than ever in 2022. We want to have places to play, relax, and socialize. That is why we include a variety of outdoor amenities in our planned communities. In addition to natural amenities like lakes, ponds, and rivers, we work hard to bring you resort-style amenities like trails, pools, clubhouses, dog parks, and more. Number 3, separate laundry rooms. According to the National Association of Home Builders, a top design trend for 2022 is separate laundry rooms. No longer just a small closet space, laundry rooms are now multi-purpose rooms that include storage space or pet washing stations. One of the newest trends is to locate laundry rooms on the second floor of a home, and we offer that in several floor plans. You get convenient, easy access to bedrooms, so no hauling laundry up and down the stairs. Your back will thank you. Number 4, energy efficiency. With the rising cost of fuel, our home buyers have become more sensitive to energy efficiency. We're pleased that all our new construction homes are energy efficient and require less maintenance. For those of us who don't have time for maintenance or repair bills, reducing home maintenance and upkeep is ideal. Who doesn't want more time to spend doing the best things in life? Number 5, updated kitchens and stainless steel appliances. According to UpNest, home buyers today want updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and that's exactly what we do. We design our kitchen with quality granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantries, plenty of storage space, and large islands. HHHunt Homes offers several design selections for new homeowners. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters, and that's why we're committed to providing you with the amenities and features you're looking for. Check out all we have to offer at hhhunt.com.